Well, I actually originally put in Clayton's organic chemistry textbook because a viewer suggested that as part of my initial AI prompt to generate the curriculum. But I felt like they were sort of, I don't know, it didn't feel optimal. And it was referencing that too much. I thought the AI would be better just kind of doing its thing, knowing that I wanted to do this in only 3 weeks. So now I'm solely using AI. I'm using Grok as well as GPT-4o, but primarily Grok for the curriculum and the lessons, and then GPT-4o to mostly do image recognition. It's way better at that than Grok. I already had a issue that bothered me with Grok image recognition where it couldn't read the chemical formula and just gave me some unrelated answer when I was asking about something. And obviously OChem is very visual, so that matters a lot. And then in terms of yeah, so I'm not I'm not using a textbook right now. I'll look into OChem textbooks after this, kind of like I'm going to look into linear algebra stuff later on to solidify my knowledge. It's not like I'm going to just learn this in 3 weeks and then never visit it again. I know too much about how the brain works. I don't know that much, but I know enough that it's not optimal to just bail as soon as you learn something in 3 weeks. I need to keep applying this, which is why I'm going to keep learning things that involve some organic chemistry, I think, which I talked a little bit about earlier. But yeah,